Hello friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Shipping Inbox in continuation of bringing an informative stories on shipping and maritime sector. Today we are going to talk about SS United States on her final voyage. Once a symbol of American engineering, speed and luxury, the ship SS United States now faces a bittersweet chapter of her storied life. Today we delve in her legendary history, explore why this great ocean liner is embarking on her final voyage, and uncover what the future holds for this beloved vessel. Commissioned in 1952, the SS United States have the pride of the United States lines. Designed by naval architect William Francis Gibbs, she was more than a just passenger liner. She was a masterpiece of innovation. Constructed with the military secrets in mind, this ship was built to serve as a potential troop carrier, earning the nickname America's secret weapon. With a top speed over 38 knots, she shattered the transatlantic speed record on her maiden voyage, a record she still holds to this day. Her deck hosted presidents, Hollywood stars, and countless travelers chasing the romance of the open sea. For nearly 2 decades, she was the fastest, most luxurious way to cross the Atlantic. But as the jet age took off, ocean liners struggled to compete. In 1969, the SS United States was withdrawn from services destined for a future filled with uncertainty. Over the 50 years, the SS United States have rested in Philadelphia. Her once proud silhouette, a reminder of glory days gone by. Despite numerous attempts to restore her, financial and logistical challenges proved insurmountable. The ship's caretaker, the SS United States Conservancy, recently announced that without a viable redevelopment plan, they have made the difficult decision to send her on a final voyage, possibly to a ship recycling yard. This decision was not made lightly. The ship has become a financial burden, costing nearly $60,000 per month just to keep her docked. While the hope for transformation into museum or mixed use development persisted, time and resources have run out. If this is a truly SS United States final voyage, what come next? Scrapping would be painful outcome, but Conservancy is exploring every option, including preserving artifacts, creating memorials, and ensuring her legacy endures. There is still a silver of hope. Should an investor or organization step forward, this story could change. But for now, the ship sails into unknown. The SS United States may be departing on her final voyage, but her story is far from over. Whether through the preservation of her legacy or inspiration she left behind, this is the great ship will continue to sail on in our hearts, in history, and perhaps in new forms we have yet to imagine. If you have enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Thank you for joining us on this voyage through history. Until next time, smooth sailing. Bye bye.